Good day. Today we are trying out the Wacker Neuson ST31 with a Harley Rake attachment, and this is the perfect spot to kind of try it out and show you guys how it works. Um, it tears apart this grass really well, enough to fluff it up and get the rocks loose and the grass all torn apart so you can rake it out. Takes a couple going overs to get it all fluffed up, but if you let it dry out, I find it rakes better whenever it's all fluffed. And this way here, the rocks just fling right out of it and the sticks and everything. And the sticks seem to cause an issue with popping the tires on the Harley Rake, but I think down the road I'm going to put solid tires in and see how well that works, because it's well worth it to pop tires, so it works really well. And it saves a lot of time with labor and picking up the sticks and rocks, and it saves trucking and topsoil, because now we're turning this unusable soil into something workable where they can plant a lawn, and enjoy the property more than just a cut down woodlot. So this took us about 2 days, roughly, 2.5 days, we'll say, and it's pretty reasonable time because it's a big area to cover, as you see. And here, what we do is we push all the rocks and sticks off every once in a while when the pile gets big, and then we start fresh and re-rake it and get a nice clean job. And here we actually found a kitchen sink. There's lots of things in there. You never know what you're going to find when you're digging out an old wood area. Yeah, so here's the finished product, and turned out great. Still a little bit of hand picking here and there, but nothing too major. Nothing a couple guys can't go over in a few minutes. And yeah.